Feeling stuck with just one source of income? What if I told you that the average millionaire has at least 7 income streams? Let's break it down. Freelancing is the fastest way to start earning online. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to get started. Create something once and sell it forever. Digital products like ebooks and online courses bring in passive income. Promote other people's products and get paid for every sale. Think Amazon or ClickBank. No product needed, just traffic. You can sell custom t-shirts or mugs online with print-on-demand services. They handle all the printing and shipping for you. Start small with investing. Apps like Robinhood let you invest in stocks or crypto with just a few dollars. It compounds over time. Imagine waking up and earning from 5 different sources, while still having time for the life you want. Enjoyed this? Hit like, subscribe, and comment below which income stream you'll start with. Let's build wealth together.